Planning a fashion show feels exciting at first, until everything suddenly feels confusing.
Theme, models, stage, budget, rehearsals, and you don't know where to start. And if you're searching for how to organize a fashion show event, trust me, this confusion is completely normal. But with the right planning steps, organizing a fashion show becomes clear and manageable. In this video, I'll show you how to organize a fashion show event step by step. Stick with this video and watch till the end, because every step truly matters.
Welcome to Clothing Clone, your hub for fashion, lifestyle, and beauty insights.
Here, I share fashion guides, lifestyle tips, beauty ideas, and honest product reviews. My goal is to make fashion easy to understand and help you make better decisions. Step 1 is defining your purpose. This sets the foundation for your fashion show.
Ask yourself, college fest, charity event, or brand showcase?
Your purpose decides the budget, venue, and scale of the event.
Step 2 is choosing the right fashion show theme. Themes can be cultural, festive, sustainable, or modern. A simple theme, executed well, always looks more professional. Step 3 is budget planning. You don't need a huge budget to organize a great fashion show.
Focus on essentials like venue, sound, lighting, and basic promotion.
Step 4 is selecting the right venue.
Auditoriums, banquet halls, exhibition spaces, or community halls work well.
Venues with built-in sound and lighting save time and money. Step 5 is building the right team. You need coordinators, backstage support, models, and music management. Clear roles reduce confusion and keep everything under control.
Step 6, never skip rehearsals.
Rehearsals fix walk order, music timing, and stage movement.
Rehearsals turn confusion into confidence for everyone involved. Step 7 is event day execution. Focus on smooth flow, timing, and coordination. Stay calm, trust your planning, and let your team work. Here's one bonus tip most beginners overlook. Always use a fashion show planning checklist. It tracks tasks, timelines, and avoids last-minute mistakes. Successful fashion shows happen because of planning, not luck. This video gives you the overview. I have shared a detailed step-by-step guide on Clothing Clone. It includes college shows, charity events, beginner tips, and a free checklist.
Click the link in the description to read the full guide.
If this video helped you, like, subscribe the channel, and also comment below what topic you want next, and I'll create a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and stay connected for next fashion, lifestyle, and beauty guides. If you're new here, hit subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss our style